and welcome back to my channel. A pleasant good morning to you all. Today we will be fixing up a delicious breakfast Guyanese style. And to get started, here I have some green plantains already chopped. I'll be using some eggs, bacon, I have seasoned salt, black pepper, and I have my aromatics here, which are onions, bell peppers, some scallions, and tomatoes. So to get started, here I have some foil wrap, and what I like to do is cook my bacon in the air fryer. It saves time, it's less messy, and it gives you the perfect bacon. So I like to place my bacon strips onto the foil wrap, and then I place my foil wrap inside of the air fryer basket. That way it's less messy. I don't have to clean the air fryer or any of that stuff. I just take the entire foil wrap out of the basket, remove my bacon, and then I discard the entire thing. It's super simple and easy. So first we'll place our bacon strips on here, but if you're cooking for a lot of people, you can do this in batches. So as you can see, I placed the foil wrap into my air fryer basket, and I did preheat my air fryer 5 minutes before. Now we will cook this in the bacon setting, which is 400 degrees for 8 minutes. Remember, if you did not preheat your air fryer first, you may have to cook it for about 10 minutes. Next, I will season my plantains before frying them. I like to season them before. So I will add some seasoned salt and some black pepper. We will mix it well until it's fully combined, and then we'll head to the stove and start frying them. Here in my preheated oil, I will add the plantains and allow them to fry until they are nice and golden brown. Now for breakfast, I don't like my plantains too crispy. I like them a little bit crispy on the outside, but nice and soft on the inside. If we're making like plantain chips, that's different, but for breakfast, I like them to be on the softer side. So I won't fry them too long. Once they reach my desired texture, I will now remove them from the oil and carry on with the same process until I'm all done. Now moving on to the eggs. First, I like to add a bit of heavy cream to my eggs. You can also add milk if you like. Then we'll add some seasoned salt and black pepper. We will mix the combine and set aside. You want to go very light on the seasoning because we will be seasoning the vegetables. So you don't want to over season the egg and make it salty. In the same skillet, we'll add some butter, allow it to melt. Once the butter melts, we'll go in with our onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, and scallions. We'll also add some seasoned salt and black pepper here, just so we can flavor it up a bit, and we'll allow it to go for about 3 minutes so it can soften up before we add our eggs. And lastly, we will add the eggs, and what I like to do is go in with my spatula and just pull the cooked egg towards the middle of the pot and allow the raw egg to seep around to the sides. Those become cooked, and I continue this process until most of my eggs are cooked, and then I begin to flip the eggs, just making sure that the eggs are thoroughly cooked before I remove it from the pan. But feel free to go ahead and cook your eggs the way you like. If you like them a bit softer, you can cook them for less time. You like them a bit more, hard and golden brown, you can cook them for a longer period of time. It just depends on your own preference. Feel free to do whatever you like, but this is simple for me, and I will now turn my heat off and just get ready to serve my breakfast. And here you have it, guys, a hearty, delicious Guyanese style breakfast. We have our fried plantains, our eggs. I served it up with some avocados, or as we would say in Guyana, pears, and I have some bacon. It is so delicious. I really do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!